Makindu wano district ye Buyukwe wayi egudde bonna bafuta kuli yadde n'omwala bise wayi egudde wano kolansi waffe we Buyukwe wano Buwoya Makindu yonna bonna bafu bonna ekuwonye yadde n'omu ekikangabwa kye tufunye ewaffe eno bannange.
It was a tragic Monday evening in Bagwere district as devastating bus accident near Makindu Trading Center left several people feared dead. Around 5 p.m. along the Basoga-Nyenga Road, a YY coach bus, registration number UAV 701C, was traveling from Katosi to Jinja when disaster struck.
The police of Uganda, where are you people?
According to traffic police spokesperson Michael Kananura, the driver lost control of the Scania vehicle. He veered off the road, overturned, and moments later burst into flames.
Members, I'm on site. The YY bus has gotten an accident and it is on fire. It is believed only 3 people got out. Where was it coming from?
This side. It was from this side going this side.
What happened?
It's wrong.
Abantu bavuddemu nna basinga. Abantu basinga tebavuddemu.
Bavuddemu nga mukaaga. Abantu bonna basinga nga basiringa.
Baliwa? Abafudde bakatite mu ddwaliro.
Abamba bakutse no mu ddwaliro. Waliwo akyali bakutse no mu ddwaliro.
It is believed all the people are burnt in the fire. Tubadde kitya?
Abantu abadde balemereddwa nga tusobola kusikwesika ward be basinza okufiiramu abadde bakutusa amakulu naye nga muli nga munaana omwe muyinza obanga kuli omu gwe gusigaddemu era abadde mu maaso omutwe gonna ne pilot tebaliibwa pilot agenzi atuse abasinga bakusenga mungu omuliro gutandikira eno kuyingiri nga guli eno kuyingiri nga fidde okuyingirayo aweerezako omukono n'ateekayo
Kijja kigisudde kati yeekanze kibadde eva Kampala eri egundiro
akabenje katandikidde eri yevudde akabenje ndoze bado wa pikipiki bade wachi basokuba kadi wabera kana kasala teku na akakoreki akawuguli akangebuko kwa kuda ono pembeni neve no wetinga yeu kati egenze ndoza kati wabudi wachite kwa tana yakala dan tugende
Eyewitnesses watched in horror as the bus was engulfed in fire. Passengers scrambled to escape and emergency responders raced to the scene. The injured were rushed to Kawolo Hospital, St. Francis Luanga Hospital, and other nearby health facilities. Sadly, several lives were lost, though their identities have yet to be confirmed. Kananura confirmed that police and emergency teams worked tirelessly to extinguish the fire and recover the bodies from the wreckage. This heartbreaking incident adds to Uganda's growing crisis of road accidents. The country has been grappling with a sharp rise in road fatalities, a troubling trend that shows no signs of slowing. Recent months have seen other high-profile crashes. Just days ago, on May 3rd, businessman, rally driver Rajiv Ruparila tragically died when his Nissan GT-R overturned and caught fire at the Busabala flyover in Wakiso district. Earlier this year, in Chenjo district, 10 people lost their lives when a taxi collided with a truck at Ngezi Trading Center. And in March, a massive 9-car pileup along Kampala-Bombo Road claimed 5 lives and left 21 injured. The Ministry of Works and Transport recently reported a staggering figure. In 2014 alone, Uganda recorded over 25,000 road crashes, resulting in more than 5,000 deaths, a 7% increase from the previous year. As Uganda mourns yet another tragedy, the urgent call for road safety reforms grows louder and louder.
Wade mutu wa boda wade ajayo saidi za Bundi ati wade aliku Basoga base ya YY coach kati ndoza driver wade ayagala tasa wati wa boda kati nalinya birechi taya na yabikayo motoka neserere nagwa ayise ode kikanga basatu natanika kuyaka muliro mukugwa mulimo abantu abavuddemo bate bavuddemo waliwo abavuddemo ngaba meka abavuddemo 15 10 ngana batano ate driver afuddeyo driver avuddemo tavuddemo afiridemo.
As far as we know, the only notable person who also passed away is Mr. Musimbi, who is the chairperson, District Service Commission of Manafa. He has also gone. And as our piano fades away, may the souls of the departed rest in peace. Amen.